But haven't you ever wondered what causes us to hiccups? Well, this is all explained in this picture. So, make sure you watch until the end. Now, a hiccups is just a continuous movement in the diaphragm. And these type of actions are involuntary because you cannot control them. Now, a hiccups can be caused by you eating or drinking too fast. Sometimes, if a person has a hiccups that doesn't stop, it may just be a sign that the person has got a disorder that he or she has to discover sooner or later. And now you know why you hiccups. Make sure to like, share and comment.